Hi everyone. So in the last video, we kind of moved our way through the modules tool here. That told you how the course is set up. So if you've missed any of that, please go back and watch part 1 of this video. So the second part of the video is just kind of giving you a little bit of overview of how you're graded in this class, because I know that's like a big thing, right? You kind of want to know, how am I graded in this class? What is everything worth? Here is how you are graded in this class. It is assignments, which will be worth 30% of the grade. And those assignments there's 4 of them throughout the semester. There's one on population, there's one on urban patterns, political geography, and religion. Or language. I can't remember. Language or religion is another assignment that you have for the semester. And so you don't want to miss those deadlines. You do get one dropped assignment, but it's really important for you not to miss those deadlines, okay? Really important that you don't miss the assignment deadline. You are given a 10-point penalty per day, like I said, so they're due on Thursday, and then you get the 2-day grace period. Well, it's not grace period. You get a 10-point deduction per day, but you could still end up with an 80, so it's still a B. Okay, then we have course stuff. So you get 1% of your grade is just that certification of syllabus that's due the first week. And then at the end of the course, I have a little course survey. I just like to hear about what topics maybe you want to learn, etc., how the course is set up. And I do take that feedback from semester to semester. And then you have a midterm and a final. So the midterm is more than a little bit halfway through the course, and then the final is after that. I do send out a review for the midterm and the final that gives you kind of all the short answer questions that will be on the final, or a compilation of those, and then there will be multiple choice questions. And then you have your discussion posts. So each week you have a discussion post due, and 2 of those, your 2 lowest discussion posts are dropped. So if you miss a deadline, it's not the end of the world. There are directions for that, so you want to make sure that you don't miss the deadlines for those. Here are college resources that are available. We have tons of resources available at the college for anything or everything that you need. Feel free to reach out to me if you are struggling with anything from financial issues all the way up the line. We have emergency college funds available, etc. So please just reach out if you have anything going on in your life. It's better to keep me in the loop than out of the loop and ask at the end of the semester for everything. Okay, so it's good to get started. So you'll see here then at the end of that syllabus is the due dates for the class. So you want to make sure you look at those. And if you remember, like I said, you could put those in your phone, or if you have a planner and you like to put those in there, you do. So just in summary, you want to check your announcements every day. The work is due Tuesday, Thursdays, typically in this class. You do have up until Saturday to submit the assignments, but it's a 10-point penalty per day. The midterm and the final will be due on a Sunday, so it gives you a little bit more time to do that. Again, if you have questions, feel free to reach out. I'm more than happy to answer your questions. You can find my times in there. It's better to email me through the Canvas email if you'd like to set up an appointment with me. This way your name comes up with the section you're in. I'm teaching 6 sections, so it's good to see which section you're in. And if you have a question, I can easily zero in there. If you find a link that's broken, because these links break all the time, make sure you just let me know that the link is broken, and I'm more than happy to fix it for you. I'm also more than happy to answer any questions. So if you have a question, you're like, I just need some clarity on something, feel free to reach out. I'd be more than happy to address that with you. So I'm looking forward to the semester, and I am hoping it's a successful semester for you. Okay, so that's it for now. Again, please reach out if you have any questions.